There's only one way to find out. Okay, Mommy. We're ready for the blue, por favor.
All right, Nina. Give it a try.
It sounds fantastico, or even frantastico. Olé, Franny. That means bravo. We did it. We fixed the maraca. Gracias, mi amiga. De nada. You're welcome. Will you stay for the fiesta, Franny? There will be music and dancing and more chocolate. I'd love to, Nina, but I have to go home now. Okay, Franny. I hope to see you again soon. Adios, mi amiga. Goodbye, my friend.
Adios, Franny.
Goodbye. That was Coco-rific. A cocoa bean. Another treasure for my shoebox.
A penny for your thoughts, Franny.
I was thinking, I'm all out of ribbon for my dolly's hair. But maybe I can use something like ribbon. Do you have a small shoelace I can borrow, Grandpa? Maybe a red one?
I have a whole drawer full of shoelaces. But what do you want it for, Franny?
I'm gonna tie my doll's hair with it instead of ribbon. Just like Nina used cocoa beans instead of seeds to fill up her maraca.
Okay, Franny. Here you go.
Neato. What do you think, Dolly? Olé! That means bravo, Grandpa.
Bravo indeed. That's very resourceful of you, Franny. Now, why don't we go and celebrate with a snack?
Can we have some hot cocoa too, Grandpa?
Cocoa. I think I could make some for you.
And I can tell you all about where cocoa comes from.
That's my Franny.
Where will my feet take me tomorrow?
35 бөлімнің соңы фильмні қазаға барады ұстаған Қазақстан ұлттық телеарнасы 2013 жыл.